Hello, everybody, and all these eminent people. I'm quite nervous. I feel quite emotional. So, first of all, I'd like to just say something to Adam. My name is Diana, not Dia. I do it all the time. He calls me Diane. So I wanted to say that I want to thank these wonderful people here from Sheffield, because I cannot tell you how supportive they have all been to me and how kind they have been to me, and I am very, very proud to be a part of their community. Thank you. I'm so proud to be a friend of Somaliland and a friend of Israq, and I want to especially say to Adam, you cannot have a better person, a better advocate for Somaliland in the whole of the United Kingdom than Adam. He is truly a remarkable man, and he does enormous amount in the local in Sheffield and obviously in the wider community. And he and I are twins because we were both born on the same day of the same year, but I was born in Somaliland and Adam wasn't. So I think I might be more of a Somalilander than Adam. So.
But you have a said where I was born
in Kenya, was it? Yeah. Kenya, yeah. So now I wanted to say, when Edna talked about giving birth, difficult birth, and I thought she might be talking about me because I think I was a breech birth, so I probably wasn't a very easy birth for my mother, but. Many years ago, in the early 1990s, I remember seeing an article in the Telegraph, I think it was, and it was on the front page of the newspaper, and there was just one column, albeit on the front page, and it really struck me because it talked about the famine in Somaliland, and 2 million people were suffering, and it struck me that how wrong it was that there was this tiny little column, and we were talking about 2 million, the well-being of 2 million people, and so Somaliland has always been very close to my heart, and many years ago, my older brother, who was also born in Hargaysa, visited Edna in I think it was 20 years ago.
Yeah, in 2002, 2003.
Yeah. So yes, he came.
Your sister.
Yes.
Goodness.
Yes.
Two for the price of one.
Yes, indeed. So I also wanted to say that I think that the time is now actually. For Somaliland to be recognised, and I think the momentum is there within the people that you have here, and the people, the likes of Captain Williams and the rest of the people. I would really like to think that the time is now for Somaliland to be recognised, and with all the work that has been done, and I think. There is no better person than Edna. All the work that she has done all her life, when they chose her to come to the UK to be trained to be a midwife, they had no idea of the person that she would and has become. And she has been a huge advocate for Somaliland, the work that she has done. And she's just an icon within her own country and around the world, and it is remarkable. She is a remarkable woman, and she has inspired many young women, and rightly so. And so well done to you, and I'm sure everybody if they could stand here, they would all say the same thing. So, you know, what a wonderful woman, and it's lovely to see women in the community and society and our wonderful local councillor here. And women have such a good voice. And the people, there's so many good women, aren't there? There are so many educated young Somali women all around the world and in Somalia, so in Somaliland. So well done to them. You know, it's great to see that. There you are. You know, that's all I wanted to say, really. So I cannot tell you how touched I am to be here and to have the opportunity to see Edna and all these wonderful people here. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. So, I don't know. There you go, Adam.